Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am going to show you guys TikTok hacks, which I have TikTok fashion hacks which I generally watch on TikTok. And if you guys are not following me on TikTok, you can follow me there as well. I'll put that link in the description box. And for now, today I'll be trying TikTok fashion hacks. So let's see what we can see today, and do hit like this video and do let me know in the comment section. Please guys, comment so we can connect. Do let me know in the comment section. Yes guys, please. Okay, without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, in this hack, the person takes, like the girl takes the dupatta and tie it with a rubber band. This dupatta is really small. I think I have done something wrong. I need to do it again. It's a fail hack for me. Like, कुछ समझा ही नहीं what happened, and I guess maybe I don't know how to do it. So if you guys have a slow motion tutorial of this or something, maybe my dupatta is small, I don't know what happened, but it's a fail hack for me. If it's a pass, then do let me know in the comment section. Now let's go to the next hack. Now in this hack, the person does is that put their bangle or something in over here and just make a pattern in above section of the t-shirt and make normal t-shirt look good. So we'll try. So I have this kada in my hand. I'll be removing this. Hey man, wow. See, I have that shape of kada as well. I hope you guys can see. If you guys can see, if not, it's nice. Sure man, I just love this hack. It's amazing. I'll rate 10 on 10. I'll give a thumbs up to this hack. This hack is also a pass for me. Okay, in this hack, the girl ties a knot from both the corners. I'll be doing the same. Okay, on TikTok I noticed one thing, they show you from front section, they don't show you from back section. So it's a big no. Like, yes, obviously you have to wear inner inside this, and it's even too long, so I think I can modify it my way. So if I just do this way and tuck inside my jeans, yeah, now it may work, but then also you need to wear inner. But yes, definitely it's looking nice, something wearable. Yeah, so I'll give 7.5 or 8 on 10. Like, it is nice. So yes, it is 8 on 10. It's a pass, not a fail. It's a medium type hack. So do let me know in the comment section which hack did you liked. Okay, in this hack, the person just take the t-shirt from one section and from behind just tie this rubber band. nice, right? Something different than the normal t-shirt. I just love this hack. I'll give this hack full 10 on 10. Yes. Okay, for this I'll be taking this dupatta. We have to just from your right. I just love this dupatta. This is a sheer dupatta. We have to just take this corners and tie a knot. Wear this as your sleeves. Now take this and just tuck in your t-shirt which you are wearing. OMG, this is so long. What should I do with this? I'll just fold it and tuck it again. What do you guys think? Should I do that? Yes, let's try. It's nice. Now from behind, need to tie this. Okay, it happened. It's a nice hack. From front it is looking really nice, but from back it is looking shabby. But in case if I have someone else to help me, it will work out. But from front it is looking really nice. Like it is literally looking as a top. Yes, if I want I can tie a belt as well. What do you guys think? How it will look? But no, I don't know. But yes, it's a nice hack. I will rate like 8 on 10. Yes, do let me know in the comment section what you will rate for this hack. And if you guys are trying, do DM me on Instagram. I'll do repost that thing. Okay guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And guys, please do let me know in the comment section which hack did you like the most. And let me know your ratings of hack 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So yes, I will definitely reply those comments, and do check out the description box for following me on my social medias and TikTok. Yes, that was all. Bye bye. See you in next video.